Hi everyone, it's Ruby Patchouli. In last week's episode, I took you guys on a Target run to pick up some curly hair products, and in today's video, I will be demonstrating how I will be using those products, and at the end, I will be leaving a product review, so stay tuned. Hello YouTube community, it's Ruby Patchouli. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be testing out some products that I got at Target in my last video. And the products that I'll be testing out today: the Shea Moisture Co-Wash, Aunt Jackie Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding, and the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I'm going to walk you guys through how I am applying all these products. At the end, I will be reviewing the products, letting you know who I feel like this product is geared towards, what is this product supposed to do, if it does what it's marketed to do. I will be talking about the ingredients. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. I post every week a new video about curls, so stay tuned. The first thing I did was use a Curlsmith Bond Repair treatment. I left it on for about 10 minutes, then I rinsed it off. Next up is using the scalp treatment that I always use. I put this on my scalp, I massage for a little bit, and then you leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes. Next up is the Shea Moisture Co-Wash. This is one of the products that I am reviewing. Last step is going to be the Mielle hair mask that I'm using. I part my hair in the middle, and then I make sure to coat every single strand, and then I put my hair up and I leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I will be rinsing off with cool water. I'm out of the shower, I'm nice and clean, my scalp feels so refreshed now, and it is time to start applying the products. First step, which is to apply my leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna apply my trusty Cantu leave-in conditioning lotion, which I always use. Here is the bottle. In this routine, I will be cocktailing my products just a little bit. I'm gonna start at the ends and work my way up. I don't want to oversaturate my hair with product because I will be applying 3 products: leave-in, cream, and then mousse. So my hair feels very moisturized. My cuticles feel pretty smooth. I have these like single strand knots. I'm not feeling a lot of them right now. My hair feels very hydrated. I really enjoyed using the Shea Moisture Co-Wash. It's just what my hair needed, and at the end of the video I'm going to talk about each product in depth so that you can decide if this is a product that you want to go out and buy and try out. And if you do, leave a comment down below and let me know how it goes. So I have my leave-in conditioner in now, and the next step is going to be the styling cream, and it is going to be the new styling cream that I purchased from Target. It's by Aunt Jackie, the Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding. Yeah, it's the Flawless Pattern Perfecting. Say that 3 times, Ruby. Let's see. Pattern Perfecting Pudding. Pattern Perfecting Pudding. Pattern Perfecting Pudding. Okay. It is the Pattern Perfecting Pudding. It's supposed to hydrate, shine, define, and give you long-lasting curls. It is for type 3 and type 4 curls. The reason why this product stood out to me in Target is because it was the only product advertised as a pudding. It is 10 ounces. It's $9.99, and it has aloe and mint and rosemary. It has peppermint oil, it has protein, shea butter, so it seems to have a good balance between protein and moisture, which is what you want. Our main goal for curly hair is to find the perfect balance between protein and moisture, and that's gonna look different for everyone. It is gonna take a few trials till you find the right products and the right cocktail that works for you. So this is how much I am applying. It's very minty. It smells so refreshing. I really enjoy this smell. So the way that I'm going to apply this is I'm going to rake this into my hair with my hands. Now let me start with one side. Always start from the bottom, and then I'm gonna work my way up. Now the reason why I'm not going to be using a styling brush for this technique is because I prefer to do it with my hands. This gives my curls the chance to curl how they naturally curl, and they don't clump as much. When you use a styling brush, you are going to get a lot more clumps, and that's fine if that's the look that you're going for. If you do get clumps and you feel like your hair is looking kind of thin, you can see through your hair, all you have to do is just declump those curls and you're good to go. The next part is going to be the mousse. That is going to be my hold step. The mousse that I'm going to be using today is going to be by Maui Moisture. It's going to be the flexible hold with coconut milk curl foam mousse. I'm going to take a little bit more for the front of my hair. Again, styling from crown downward, and then on the side, and then back here I'm styling from the sides. I usually have like a part, a natural part back here. I don't want that to show, so I'm just gonna make sure to cover that gap. So one thing that I am gonna do is wrap my hair in the towel for about 5 minutes this time. So I'm putting the towel so it can absorb any excess product that I might have put in my hair, because I did put 3 products. 2 of them have coconut oil and the other one has shea butter. So I don't want to over saturate my hair with these products. So what the microfiber towel is going to do is going to soak up whatever excess there is, and it will make my drying time a bit faster. If you didn't watch my last video, I highly recommend it. It is the towel styling hair routine. In that video, I had talked about how doing this method helps form your curls, your ringlets. I like the way it looks, so we're gonna see the results we get today. I'm excited. I do have somewhere to go tonight, so I just want to have bomb ass hair. You know, I want that to be my staple. Ruby patchouli with the curls, with the curly afro. Where you at? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here, here, here. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and I'm gonna now take the towel off. When you take off your towel, look at yourself in the mirror and see if there are any frizzy parts, and if there is, just re-wet it a little bit. If you have any curl and if you have any ringlets that don't curl the way you like them to curl, right now is the perfect time to finger coil to make sure that your hair is drying the way you want it to dry. We are going to diffuse. My curly hair routine, and these are my results. This is actually day 2 hair, and I did not have to refresh this morning. I took off my silk scarf and my hair bonnet and I was good to go. I didn't have to do absolutely nothing. It is so rare to find a cocktail that allows you to not have to refresh. I did use 3 products to style my hair. I used the Cantu leave-in conditioner, which I always use, and then I used the Aunt Jackie's Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding. Then I used the Maui Moisture Curl Mousse, and guys, this is a really good cocktail. I have 3B to 3C, fine hair, low porosity, and low density, and this cocktail did wonders. I have a hard time retaining moisture, but not this time. My hair feels so moisturized. My hair feels thick as well. It feels so good. I feel like I have hold, but it's not crunchy. My hair is soft, and my ringlets, they're looking really good. Let's talk about the products. First product I want to talk about is the Shea Moisture Curl Wash. Is the Shea Moisture Co-Wash. This is the coconut and hibiscus curl moisture co-wash with silk protein and neem oil. A co-wash is basically a more gentle shampoo for your hair. Sometimes there are shampoos that have harsh sulfates, and that can definitely strip our hair away of our natural oils. Now, when it comes to curly hair, we really need moisture. And that is because naturally, for everyone who has hair, we have natural oils that come from the scalp, right? And throughout the days, your natural oil will start coming down your hair shaft and ultimately reach your ends, right? That is how your hair moisturizes itself. However, when you have curly and kinky hair, that is not what happens for us. Because we have these curls and these kinks, and because our hair wraps around like this, the natural oil isn't able to get down to our hair shaft, which is why we try to fix this issue by using moisturizing products. This co-wash has protein and it has moisture, so that's perfect because as curly girls, we really want to try and find the perfect balance between protein and moisture. With finding the right balance between protein and moisture, you are almost always guaranteed to have healthy hair, good looking hair as well. The first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is shea butter. The third ingredient is stearyl alcohol. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but basically, don't get scared by the name. Don't get scared by reading alcohol. This is actually a really good ingredient for our hair. It helps soften our hair, and it can also work as an emollient as well when it is paired with other ingredients. Coconut oil, fruit oil, hibiscus, seed oil, jojoba. It has salicylic acid, guys. Now, salicylic acid is really good for your scalp, especially if you have seborrheic dermatitis, flakiness, dry scalp. If you get scabs or pimples around your hairline or on your scalp, salicylic acid is really gonna help with that. It's gonna help keep your scalp in the most optimal health. It is a really good ingredient to have in your shampoo. It has hydrolyzed silk and hydrolyzed vegetable protein, so two different type of proteins, and a whole lot of moisturizing agents. So, do I recommend this product? This product is really good. Now I understand why everyone raves about it. Definitely going to be using this every single wash week, and this was $11.99. It is a 13-ounce bottle. You get a good bang for your buck. Now, I would recommend this product for 3B up. 3B, 3C, 4A, 4B, 4C. I would not recommend it for type 2 hair because it might actually wear your hair down and it's not going to cleanse your hair as much as you need it to. When it comes to wavy girls, they don't really have an issue with their hair not being moisturized. Their hair tends to get dirtier quicker, which is why using a regular shampoo benefits wavy girls. But for curly and kinky girls, I recommend this product. Next product that we are reviewing is the Aunt Jackie's Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding. This is a new product for me. I've never seen it on the market. It's supposed to hydrate, shine, and define for long-lasting curls and coils. This product is for type 3 and type 4 curls. Now, let's look at the ingredients. First ingredient is water. The second one is glycerin. Third ingredient is cetriol alcohol. It has aloe leaf extract, which means that it's gonna hydrate your hair. It has hydrolyzed wheat protein, but it is towards the bottom of the ingredient list. This product, it has more moisturizing, hydrating agents than it does protein, but that is good because you don't want to give your hair protein overload. Now, what did it do for my hair? It definitely gave me definition, but what I like is it didn't give me the kind of definition where my hair is like a tight coil and my hair looks like fine and you can see through it. I can't see through my hair, which is perfect, which is what you want. My hair feels very moisturized, like I said earlier, so it did do that. It feels hydrated. And does my hair look shiny? Let's see. I don't know about the shiny part, but I will say that this is the second day and my hair does not look dry. So it seems like it's working. All in all, do I recommend this product? Yes, I do. I give it a thumbs up. I really recommend this product for type 3, type 4 curls. If you have low porosity, this is a product that you should try out because it's not too thick in the consistency. It didn't seem to wear my hair down and it cocktailed very well with my mousse. So this product does do what it is marketed to do. Now, if you have high density, if you have a lot of hair, if you have thick hair, I just recommend to maybe apply a little bit more of this product so that it can coat all of your strands so you can get the effect that you want. The last product I'm going to review is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. 2 videos ago, I did a 1 product styling hair routine and the product that I used was by Mielle Organics. It was their 1 styling cream and I really enjoyed that. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I need to try this, especially the fact that it has rosemary. Rosemary is linked to hair growth because it stimulates the hair follicles. It works a lot like minoxidil, but you don't have to use rosemary all the time, unlike minoxidil. If you do decide to use minoxidil, just know that once you stop using it, there is a possibility that you might lose all the hair growth that it gave you. You don't have to worry about that with rosemary, which is why I love getting products that have rosemary in it. Now, let's talk about the smell. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. It's very light, but it's not a bad scent. It's definitely a thick consistency. Look, doesn't even fall out. This is a 12 ounce and it is $9.99. Now the ingredients: water, aloe leaf juice, sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is a good oil to incorporate in your regimen. Sunflower seed oil, fruit oil, shea butter, coconut oil, root oil, nettle. I've heard that nettle also does help with hair growth and it does have biotin. Is it doing what it's marketed to do? It does moisturize the hair. It is a good hair mask and I do see the ingredients that's supposed to help encourage hair growth. I give it a thumbs up. So far, this is the second product I've tried of hers and I have nothing bad to say. I would honestly recommend this product to any type of hair type: straight, curly, wavy, coily, any type. This is a really good hair mask. It's always important to deep condition your hair. A hair mask is similar to a deep conditioner. So yeah, I recommend this. This is good. This was a really good cocktail. I really enjoy it. I'm gonna continue using it. I'm going to also pair these products with other products and see how they work. But all in all, it's been a successful product review video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys end up trying these products. And if you haven't yet, watch my other video where I talk about the Mielle 1 styling product because it's a really good product. It did wonders. You can pair that up with the hair mask. Let me know how that goes because I'm sure your hair is gonna look bomb. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. My name is Ruby Patchouli. I post every week a video about curls. See you next week.